Hey guys, I'm gonna be opening all the gifts. So these are the gifts which Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Serena and it's been so long since I sat down to record like a long form video, and I'm so excited to be back and long form videos every Sunday, so please call me out if I'm not. So today, as y'all can read by the title down below, I'm gonna be opening all the gifts which my friends gave me for my birthday, especially my friends, like my family, and what I gifted for myself that I'm not including in this video because that's like this top I gifted for myself for my birthday, and like quite a lot of things. So I'm like so glad. This top is so cute. Let me show you. It's like such a cute top, isn't it? And these earrings also, this I gifted last year for my birthday. So you see, you should always give yourself the love you deserve, especially for your birthday. Don't expect anyone else, but you give yourself the love and you will receive it back. And give love to others as well, so that you receive love too. So let's start into it. So these are the gifts which my friends gave me, and like this video is only about like what my friends gifted me, and I'm so grateful for my friends because the love that they shower on me on my birthday is like super special, and it makes me feel extra special. So always I'm grateful for my friends and my family and myself and God, obviously. These bags are so cute. Like, just looking at these bags, I feel so special. Like, I don't care what's in it, but can I take a minute to appreciate the bags? Like, it's so cute. Like, these bags only are like so cute. There are two more there, but like they're not so cute because like I like aesthetic stuff and all. So these bags are like really cute. These are my special friends who gave me, so they know me. But with this bag, because look at how cute this bag is. Like, I don't care what's inside, like just looking at the bag, it makes me happy. So this is the Plum Body Loving Vanilla Vibes Bath and Body gift set, which is like so cute. I didn't open it yet because I'll tell you why soon. So I'm so excited because it has 3 things inside. That is the Plum Vanilla Vibes Body Wash, Plum Body Loving Vanilla Vibes Body Oil, and the body mist. Like, these 3 things are so cute because it's such a cute gifting option, like for someone who will enjoy just like taking care of themselves and applying these body wash, body oil, body mist, and just feel so cute. Like, oh my god, it's such a great gifting option for your friends. So this was gift number 1. Like, so cute. I love the bags. I'm gonna keep the bags forever. The second one is this cute. It's pink and it has little hearts. Like, oh my god, this is such a cute bag. Like, look at it. Such a cute bag. And then it opens up. Look, oh, I like this shiny, so cute. And so there's another bag. Like, this bag is so cute. Like, I can wear it. And it has this. Oh, wow. I didn't know this. Oh, there's a bag inside the cute bag. Wow. It's by Savannah. I didn't even open this. Like, how cute is it? Is it cute? Let me know in the comments down below because I love it. Like, thanks. Oh yeah, it's so cute. Like, I love this thing going on. Like, yes, I love it. Love the bag. I love this thing going on. Thank you. Not only this, there are 2 more things inside. Like this. We have a perfume, Daydream and Woman. It looks so cute. It's a pink, cute shade. cute one. What we have in here, a Studio sheet mask for glowing skin, like some more self-care. I love self-care, so this is like best gifts. Oh my god, the bag is really so cute, and these three things in it made it even more special. How cute this bag is. So gift number 2 is done. Gift number 3, I opened it already, so it's a little messy. So it's the Milton lunch bag, because it's my healthy girl journey as well. So my friends know I carry like a lot of homemade food for college and all. So she gave me this cute Milton lunch bag. Cute Milton lunch bag. Oh, to carry my food. Oh my god, like look at this. So there's a spoon, there's a fork, there are steel tiffins, 2 tiffins, and 1 big tiffin. So cute. Yeah, this is like the cute gift. Like, okay, this is cute. So this was gift number 3. I have such good friends, bro. I'm so grateful for these gifts. And the 4th gift is this. See, look at the bags, bro. Can you appreciate these cute little bags? Like, I love the bags more than anything. Like, I don't care what's inside. Like, just looking at this makes me happy. I love this. Like, cutesy. Like gifts. If they're like this, it just like warms my heart. Like this. Oh my god, this is the Chimera set. Like, how cute is this pink gorgeous set? Like, there's a loofah in it. Oh my god, how cute is it? It is a body wash and body lotion love story, but it's jasmine flavor. It's like so cute with the loofah. Like, I'm gonna enjoy a shower day with this. She sent me a handwritten card also. I like gifts. Gifts for birthdays are like the thing. Like, you just need gifts. So this was gift number 4. Number 5. The first one to give me this, and then later I got this one. So like, I got 2 of the same things. Like, I can do lots of self-care now. But like, it smells so great. So like, I'm not complaining. I just love these gifts. This was, and like, I opened it because she gave me first, and like, I opened it and started using it also. So it's a great gifting option. Like, oh my god, it's like so aesthetic, and it smells also so great. So it has the body wash, the body oil, and the body mist, and it smells so good. Like, I started using this already. I use the oil. It's just like moisture, skincare right away. And like, it smells like so good, vanilla vibes. Like, it's such a great gifting option. 2 of them, and I love it. It's a great gifting option. Like, if you want to gift your friends, just go for it. It smells so good. It lasts long. You will smell like vanilla vibes all the way, bro. It's a great gifting option. That's why I got 2 of them. My friends for gifting me these, and I'm like so grateful for my friends. Like, and even for their birthdays, you have to think like, what should I give them, and to make their day special. These were the gifts which my friends gifted me. My sister, my family gave me different types of gifts, but I didn't include them in this video. So thank you so much for watching. I'm like so grateful for all my friends for giving me such cute gifts, and thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and follow for more. I'm gonna be trying to post every Sunday with long form types of videos, so stay tuned.